describe me in 2015 is karate, because it is my favorite hobby. Karate is the best activity for me because it is very fun, but it's better to practice karate with my friends. I put my Greek book collection because I love reading. I read at night. It's my second favorite hobby. When I am older, I want to be an engineer. I want to design machines like my dad. My favorite subjects at the school are math